Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Buds Live and the Android smartphone, and I'm going to show you how we can pair and how we can connect the Buds Live to the Samsung Galaxy Wearable application. So at the first we have to move for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here Galaxy Wearable app. We can take it from the quick list, so we have to get this application, so let's install. Let's open, click to get started and select the Galaxy Buds Live. Accept all of the permissions, click on the settings, turn on location, then just go back and accept all of the permissions one more time. Here we got our Buds Live. We can also open the charging case if you cannot find here your buds, so simply tap on the device, click OK. We have to download the second external plugin. It is connected to the Galaxy Wearable app. So right now just go for our application, click to continue, accept the permissions, click here on the switcher, click allow, then just go back, click that we got it. And right now our buds are connected to the Android smartphone and the Galaxy Wearable application. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.